wala akong choice kasi Indian food na lang palagi yung niluluto ko.
So this is a surprise.
Medyo malaki yung box natin ngayon. Finally, meron na akong same na daddy. Let's buy some fish for lunch today. Medyo nag-crave ako ng isda. So isda yung ulam natin for today. So minsan merong nagko-comment na wala akong choice kasi Indian food na lang palagi yung niluluto ko. Actually, may choice ako, guys. Anytime na gusto kong kumain ng Filipino food or kung anong gusto kong kainin, pwede akong kumain, pwede akong bumili para magluto. Pero palagi iniisip ko si Abhi. Hindi dahil hindi ako palagi nagluluto ng Filipino food, doesn't mean na wala na akong choice. Yung choice ko is piliin na magluto ng pagkain para sa aming tatlo talaga. Ito lang yung isda nila, konti lang. Ang dami pala. Okay. Yeah, 1 kilo. So, ito yung nabili kong isda, 1 kilo. Medyo maganda yung pagkakalinis ni kuya ng isda. O parang ang ganda pa din ng isda. Kasi merong iba, diba, na parang ito na lang yung natitira. Pero ito, tingnan niyo, parang perfect pa din siya. Linis na linis yan sa loob, guys. And then, hindi ganun ka parang, alam mo yun, na-torture masyado yung isda. Ito yung lulutuin ko, 6. Yung kay Mishka, asin lang at paminta yung ilalagay ko. Yung sa amin ni Abhi, ima-marinate ko siya. So, yan. Yung kay Mishka, guys, 2 din. Kasi parang malaking tao na din yan kapag kumakain ng isda. Marami din yung kain niya. Ititira ko to para bukas pwede ko siyang lutuing paksiw. Ito na yung kay Mishka, guys. Salt, pepper, and nilagyan ko ng seasoning. Tapos, ito naman yung sa amin. Squeeze tayo ng lemon. Fish fry masala. Oops, shit. Parang ang dami. Lagay tayo ng egg. Meron kasi akong sugat sa kamay, kaya magamit ako ng plastic gloves. B is an insect.
Butterfly goes. Where butterfly live?
Huh?
Where butterfly live? Mommy asked.
No, you don't need to answer that yet. Next time. But let me see. Why you didn't circle? Circle dragonfly. It's an insect. Circle like this.
Mommy.
Yes. A bee.
Circle.
Yeah, bee.
Butterfly circle. Grasshopper circle.
Huh?
Grasshopper
Yeah,
circle. And circle.
Yes.
Done.
Done?
Yeah.
There other homework?
Yeah.
The yellow book did you bring?
Nah.
No? Okay, then put it inside your bag. You are done.
I want to eat.
Then wash your hands and thank you.
Mommy, can we color?
You can. Okay, color one color first. Because anyway, I'm still cooking. Nilagyan ko to kanina ng konting rice flour para mag-thicken yung aking coating. Yeah.
So I have ordered ring light for her. So this is a surprise. Actually, she was not telling me. I felt that she needs it. So I have ordered it, got delivered to my office. I will give it to her. No, that is for mommy.
Luto na yung aming fried fish and ito naman yung aking sausawan. Kain muna kami guys. Mamaya na natin buksan yung parigalo ni Daddy.
Mommy,
Yeah.
help.
Mayroon pa surprise si Daddy sa unbox natin. Nagmamadali na ako kumain kasi kailangan na niyang umalis pabalik sa office. Medyo malaki yung box natin ngayon. What is this? What is this? Bon, find this. Tripod? Ring light! 5 years na ako nagbablog guys. 2019. Magsi 6 years na ako nagbablog. Ngayon lang ako magkakaroon ng ring light. Halo Spotlighting You. After 6 years, magkakaroon ako ng ring light. Yung ating pa ring light. So we'll try this later. Meron na siyang kasamang phone holder. Meron siyang kasamang tripod. Medyo mabigat yung tripod niya. It's heavy. Huh?
I see the quality. Let's review. Fix that height.
Yeah. Minsan ba, pag nagluluto kami dito sa kusina, minsan nagbe-blurred yung light. Ewan ko. So, makakatulong siya sa ating pagbe-vlog tuwing nagluluto tayo. So, we'll try. Tapos siguro yan. Turn on. Wow! So bright! Warm. This is warm. This is yellow.
Yeah, 3 modes.
Diba? Ang bright na natin.
And in that, you can reduce.
Adjust.
Adjust. This you can adjust.
Yung anak namin umiiyak kasi akala niya ako lang yung pinilhan ni Abhi ng ganito.
Yellow one is better.
Yellow one?
Okay.
Oh, diba?
Okay.
Finally, I received my credit card. Actually, ano lang to? Add-on sa card ni Abhi. After 6 years here in India, I'm having my credit card. Yung ginagamit ko lang na card ay card ni Abhi. What about that one?
I don't know why they sent 2.
They're giving us so many cards. Oh, we have same now, Daddy. Oh, I have my name on the card. Finally, meron na akong card. Actually, anytime I can use his cards. They are not asking questions whenever I am using his card sa mga...
In India, but
yeah,
outside.
in India. But outside, in the Philippines, they're asking me marriage certificate. You have to activate this na, Daddy?
Yeah. Where is that old card? Huh?
In my wallet. Ako man yung gumagamit ng card ni Abhi.
So no one will ask me to go to lounge.
Yes!
That is one big reason.
No? No more.
I'm going to take a picture.
Yung aming landlady dito, si Auntie, meron siyang homemade wine, grape wine. And binigyan niya ako kanina. Kahapon kasi, magkatsikahan kami dun sa baba.
Let me smell it.
Okay, let's smell. Wine talaga siya. This is her homemade wine. Kahapon, tinanong niya ako if umiinom ba ako. Sabi ko na oo, pero hindi naman yung maramihang inom. So sabi niya, bibigyan niya daw ako. So kanina, hinatid niya to. Nilagay ko sa freezer kanina nung tanghali. Kasi akala ko pagdating ni Abhi, mag-dry. Being a housewife is often one of the most undervalued yet essential roles in society. Among the many tasks that define this role, cleaning the house stands out as a daily act of care, discipline, and strength. Beyond the physical effort, maintaining a clean and organized home reflects the love and dedication a housewife pours into her family's comfort and well-being. Cleaning a house is more than just sweeping floors or wiping down countertops. It involves managing a constant cycle of order and chaos, ensuring that the home remains a place of comfort and peace. From scrubbing bathrooms and washing dishes to doing laundry and organizing clutter, the work is endless and often repetitive. What makes this labor even more demanding is that it is largely invisible and taken for granted. Housework demands both physical and mental energy. Planning meals, organizing schedules, and managing household supplies require foresight and attention to detail. A housewife must juggle these responsibilities while also ensuring that her family's emotional and physical needs are met. Cleaning is not just about hygiene, it is about creating a space where her family feels safe, relaxed, and at peace. The emotional labor behind maintaining a clean home is just as heavy as the physical work. A housewife is not just cleaning a house, she is nurturing an environment where love and connection thrive. The sight of a tidy living room and the warmth of a well kept kitchen all contribute to the feeling of home. This sense of order brings comfort and stability to the family. However, this work can be emotionally exhausting. Yet, despite this, she continues to clean and care because her motivation comes from a place of deep love and commitment. Being a housewife and managing a home should never be seen as a lesser role. The strength it takes to maintain a home is a testament to resilience and dedication. A clean and organized home is not just about appearances, it reflects the care and thoughtfulness that go into every action. Folding laundry, wiping down tables, and cooking meals may seem like small acts, but they are the foundation of a peaceful and loving household. A housewife's work is not measured in paychecks or promotions, but in the warmth of her family's smile and comfort of a well-kept home. The quiet satisfaction of knowing her family feels safe and cared for is the ultimate reward. Being a housewife and maintaining a clean home is a labor of love. It requires strength, patience, and an immense emotional investment. The act of cleaning is not just about tidiness, it is about creating an environment where love, comfort, and happiness can flourish. Behind every sparkling floor and a freshly made bed lies a heart full of love and a spirit of quiet strength.
This is our